How Cernus conveyed the heliocentric structure, we could have to look indeed at our colossal sorting out of talk in cosmology implied as the disaster current-day cosmology has arisen. Neil deGrasse Tyson verbalizes that the James Webb finding has settled this discussion with a texture mechanical capacity breaking photograph. So what's this emergency and how has the James Webb Space Telescope brought to it? For those new, it's hard for collectible tickers to explore genuinely added is a disaster. Regardless, we are in a circumstance wherein we fail to in reality see the age or size contemporary the current universe as they are connected with a variable go along with this. As we examine the real edges of high-level contemporary science where our estimations are regularly tended to and startling openings are made. The enjoyed model state-of-the-art present-day cosmology, a smooth accomplishment all during the past 100 years, systems the universe's course, exceptional development, current-day studies, and present status gravity intermediated with the supportive resource. Top-tier tremendous relativity essentially organizes the universe's development, perceiving its extension in the strategy present-day ultramodern, bewildering high-quality plans. Parts incorporate darkish power, darkish matter, typical depend, neutrinos, and photons. The universe started from the latest massive bang around 13.8 billion years back, proceeded with the support of res source, current expansion causing density deserts. However, this model not continuing with epic observational assistance is now under a magnifying glass with the JWST. Cosmologists have another stuff that has been making bothers in our norm model in the early universe before stars of course systems arose unbiased rubbish traces. 30,000 years circulate tremendous explosion reionization persevered 550 million years over the long corridor. It later, when most reductively the universe became IED. The JWST presents cosmologists to see is more substantially more. Cutting-edge universe is then currently reasonable, giving new assessments into the early universe. The run-of-the-mill model apparent is the inflationary force, enormous impact, or lambda CDM, has tracked down various parts, extreme frontline the universe. However, conflicting evidence has arisen, bringing about an emergency. Cutting-edge cosmology, the calamity is critical. We don't significantly know generally the HK ephemeral, the IE, and unequivocal methods supply extraordinary outcomes. One tech approach used to gauge the universe's age is the colossal microwave establishment. Researchers jump into the universe's improvement records using numerical appearance dependent entirely upon Einstein's best-in-class relativity thought. This hypothesis makes the Friedman conditions interacting the universe's plan with its expansion charge at 1 if AD time. The bewildering microwave establishment extreme slight from the early day. Current, the universe is a fundamental OW. Contraption in surveying its properties makes a decision-cautious maps advance the CMV like those from the European Space Agency's board mission need real facts on dark strength, a critical part inside the steady universe. Not enduring these issues, experts use the conditions to pick the improvement mood. State-of-the-art, the universe at some unpredictable time. They could pick the universe's improvement rate and likewise its continuous age. One more procedure to qualify the universe's age is by exploring exploding stars. While the colossal microwave establishment gives an exact report contemporary the universe show, seeing the universe's augmentation without a second's delay as possible through anomalies like tip of supernova, wherein a star dumps its air onto a shut by white PM to an astonishing effect. These supernovae probably as reliable benchmarks noted as standard candles allowing subject matter experts to quantify the universe's improvement charge on the hour in their event. This method, truly utilized in the last present-day 1990s, expected to be a tremendous part in finding darkish energy, turning into a foundation in cosmological evaluations. It is especially worthwhile for distinguishing the Hubble ordinary AR or rate. Frontline, the universe's improvement charge. For the clarification that colossal explosion, however, late exceptions have shown errors inside the headway rate, showing possible dim powers at play. NASA has seen a staggering knowledge anticipating that the universe's improvement works with again. It suggests a limit effect. Present-day dim powers like dark marish matter. Number. However, assuming to be simply the improvement energized picks the speed, it might be credited to diminish energy. The Hubble Space Telescope and superb units have estimated propelling development expenses, generally through uncommon observation focuses. Edwin Hubble later, whom the telescope is named, first proposed the expanding cost in 1929. Toward the beginning interpreted as frameworks getting away from one another. It's as of now seen because of the universe's improvement, but obliging appraisals from specific telescopes. Furthermore, methods remain hard. In any case, mechanical overhauls Bungal remain aware of assessing the universe's agent improvement charge. While those developments intended to answer fundamental solicitations, they foster more shortcomings. One proposed explanation for the bumbles incorporates possibly flaws in immense microwave establishment evaluations are structures in darkish L power. After some time, another opportunity is the complex nature present-day displaying supernovae precisely head to weaknesses in their use as cosmological contraptions. The James Webb Space Telescope, while adding to our data, has furthermore muddled cosmological issues, similarly proposing the essential for a reassessment present-day or cutting-edge legitimate data. The Flamingo task, a critical strain in the Virgo consortium, addresses a multidisciplinary try with respect to SC cosmologists, computational specialists, and records diggers. This agreeable effort is focused on doing proliferations that range the all-out enormous timetable from the early minute present day the universe's foundation to the ongoing day. These reenactments are energized through estimations and mathematical frameworks that epitomize our ongoing information, cutting-edge day significant frameworks, controlling the uni. By differentiating those generations against an overflow present-day observational reality, analysts can support their plans, what's more, gain pieces of information into the basic instruments using tremendous advancement. This forceful undertaking requires inconceivable computational assets in the Flamingo task, a critical undertaking inside the Virgo consortium, exemplifies a helpful attempt among astrophysicists, cosmologists, computational specialists, and data specialists. This interdisciplinary approach is essential for dealing with the perplexing challenges natural in the incompetence, the improvement current day, the universe. At its core, the Flamingo task gives high-level computational strategies to reenact the complete limitless schedule from the earliest minutes after the huge bang to the continuous day. These reenactments worked out, frontline computations involve our current day inclination, contemporary major real methodologies managing the universe by differentiating the repeated records and observational real factors. Specialists can pick the accuracy of their plans. Furthermore, gain insights into the hidden mechanism MTS driving galactic advancement. The well-known cosmological model sees any assortments that may mission our ceaseless expertise, contemporary never-ending development. Perez Carlos Obi, a pivotal accomplice inside the Flamingo, concentrates on in AEN scene contemporary key physical science at DUR school, focused on the colossal second in cosmology that the project watches out for. He said that cosmology is at a mixing with new telescopes giving ultramodern exact estimations that will not flawlessly change with our speckle models. This anomaly raises issues on the authenticity contemporary our ongoing day styles and the expected lifestyles contemporary day inclinations. Expectedly, we may similarly have to decide the universe. The Flamingo undertaking develops previous ages that commonly designated on bloodless dull count yet before long puts more emphasis on combining standard be counted which involves the best 16% contemporary the universe, as well as neutrinos led by PRI of Dar Gustave Lupin from strong school experts drove huge multiplication using the Cosma 8 supercomputer at the Durham Excessive Execution Handling Office. These reenactments got over years and produced into thought the results contemporary day both faint depend and common be counted with a specific attention on the chap. To acquire those reenactment specialists introduced another code called RAPID which engaged the spread contemporary day computational contributions across packages contemporary huge dealing with units achieving up to 65 PC chips. This forefront computation strategy thought about a point with the finish of point evaluation contemporary day the universe's improvement giving pieces of information into the gig contemporary day typical matter informing limitless plans notwithstanding the issues publicized through bungle among observational information and speculative models. The Flamingo task keeps an eye on a game plan endeavored to push the cutoff points present day how we could disentangle the UN through comprehensive computational generations interdisciplinary joint exertion and a commitment to clinical solicitation. Specialists plan to determine the secrets contemporary day relentless new development and gains similarly pieces of information into the basic nature contemporary day of the universe. Albert Einstein's thought contemporary day vogue relativity changed our authority, cutting-edge gravity by using conceptualizing presence is a brought-together surface which he named spacetime. This unique design describes gravity at this point not as a strain playing out a distance away, however, on the other hand, is the EBN coast contemporary day spacetime due to the current contemporary day mass and power. One shiny new the essential repercussions contemporary day notable relativity is gravitational lensing, the shaped contemporary day area time, bends the heading contemporary day sunlight transmits, crucial to clear mutilations in the P contemporary day the far-away divine objects gravitational lensing, has come to be a huge contraption in current-day cosmology, allowing cosmologists to concentrate on the A or in contemporary day matter in the universe and assess its principal shape by analyzing the diffused mutilations in the shapes. What's more, positions contemporary to frameworks experts can prompt the dispersal contemporary day D depend which balances send depend directly and applies a gravitational impact on the light going through it. Weak gravitational lensing audits especially have emerged as assessments contemporary day cosmological models. Those reviews contain a verifiable evaluation contemporary parts contemporary day frameworks to hit upon the unpretentious gravitational mutilation latest intervening matter. Alongside the line contemporary day site by assessing the verifiable properties present day, these mutilation space specialists can oblige cosmological limits like the adequacy contemporary day density changes in the issue density present day the universe. However, latest discernments have revealed a fuddling blunder among assessment state-of-the-art day the universe's homogeneity gotten from weak gravitational lensing outlines and those gained from boundless microwave history CMB tests. The CMBB, which is the waiting radiation from the early universe, deals with the expense of a picture state-of-the-art. The universe's thickness changes when it turns out to be most clear 180,000 years old. Examination contemporary day the CMB has yielded prohibitive assessments contemporary day cosmological limits, for instance the adequacy present day density changes that are fundamental for sorting out the massive scope structure contemporary day of the universe. The irregularity called the 8 disca implies back to the differentiation between the qualities contemporary day the 8 limit acquired from weak gravitational lensing outlines and those induced from CMBB assessment. The S8 limit gauges the degree contemporary they gathered for gigantic extensions besides as key for testing cosmological plans. One proposed explanation for this irregularity incorporates the different procedures and hypotheses used in weak gravitational lensing studies. Also, CMB tests weak gravitational lensing studies rely upon genuine examinations of the shapes and places of frameworks to construe the flow of dark matter. Also, constrained cosmological limits. On the other hand, CMB tests measure the temperature instabilities in the incalculable microwave establishment radiation, giving information about the early universe's thickness and stability and cosmological limits. The irregularity in the assessments of the S8 limit involves that challenges also weaknesses in cosmological discernments and models. It recommends that there may be dark genuine cycles are then again purposeful missteps in the data that are not totally addressed in current cosmological theories. Resolving the strain is fundamental for pushing our appreciation of the universe's improvement in focal properties. Efforts like the Flamingo project plan to address these challenges by solidifying theoretical illustrating with observational data and advanced computational reenactments by duplicating the universe's improvement from its earliest minutes to the current day. Scientists can test dynamic cosmological models and theories, refine how they could decipher fundamental genuine cycles and OBL inconsistencies among the discernments and hypotheses. The interdisciplinary nature of undertakings like Flamingo, which join together astrophysicists, cosmologists, computational researchers, and data specialists, reflect the multifaceted nature and breadth of present-day cosmology. Through joint effort and headway, examiners want to unlock the mysteries of the universe and gain further insights into its origins, progression, and ultimate fate.